Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The police commissioner has issued an invitation to the Rastafarian community to come speak with him about concerns they have. The development comes as disquiet grows among the local Rastafarian community over what they deem as ongoing discrimination and harassment. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Last week, the local Rastafarian leadership called a meeting to demand audience with the authorities, including the police, to discuss policies they feel have led to discrimination of members of the community. And days later, a response has come from the police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson.
Don't be concerned that the JCF has a challenge with the community. And if there are any concerns, they can come to me, they can come to our Inspector General, IProbe. We have many mechanisms that we will engage to allay any concerns or fears that might have arisen out of this.
Members of the Rastafarian community have been particularly upset recently due to a case involving Nzinga King, a Clarendon 19-year-old who alleged that her locks were trimmed while in police custody. The police commissioner said members of the force who have discussed the case with him are outraged and want strong action should an investigation find that the police member acted improperly.
I'm confident that if it occurred, as said, and I say that is still the subject of investigation, that is not consistent with either the policies or position of the force or the majority of its members. And I feel pretty confident in saying that.
But in addition to that case, members of the Rastafarian community contend that they continue to be harassed by police officers for the possession of ganja used for sacramental purposes. While not addressing that matter directly, the police commissioner insisted that the organization he leads does not have a culture that encourages victimization.
Most of us in the force now grew up in a time where Rastafarians were an iconic part of our culture. And so there is no natural response to be anti-Rastafarian. As a matter of fact, most of us would have grown up, friends in school, friends in community, and relationships with persons who are Rastafarians. It's just another religion, and our own indigenous religion.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.